I'm preparing something special today. It's called Spanish Tapas. This is different from the regular tapa that you have for breakfast. Today we're going to Spain. First, we're gonna make Spanish croquetas. This is a special croquetas made of bechamel. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo two ways or two flavors. One, we're gonna do spinach croquetas. The other one is with a special jamon. So, Spanish croquetas for your tapas. The second tapas we're gonna make is Tortilla de Patata with chorizo. So, this is a Spanish potato omelette. I'm gonna show you the techniques to make it perfect. It's simple, pero nako, napakasarap. And the third one, hindi kumpleto kapag may some sort of paella, but this is different. Hindi siya paella. It's called Fideua. We're gonna use Spanish noodles, but the flavors are very much paella. Something different, something new for our Spanish tapas. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's head to Spain and experience Spanish tapas. Only here at the Bailiwick Academy.